हेलो एवरीवन, कैसे हैं आप सब? सो लेट अस नो अबाउट द ग्राफ ऑफ क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल एंड इट्स जीरोस. What is the graph of quadratic polynomial? It's simply a U or V shaped curve known as parabola opening upwards or downwards depending on the sign of A. I'll show you. And what are the number of zeros? For number of zeros for any graph, simply count the number of points where the graph intersects or touches x-axis. Not only for the quadratic, in fact for every graph. Suppose we have a linear graph. As you all know that the graph of a linear equation is a straight line. Now for quadratic, as I have told you that the graph of quadratic polynomial is a U-shaped curve like this, or it can be like this, or it can simply touch it at only one point, or you can have any other graphs like this or more than this also. So if we have to count the number of zeros here, simply count the points where the graph intersect the x-axis. Like here we have only 1 0. As the graph is intersecting only one time, here we have 2 zeros because graph is intersecting 2 times here. In this case we have again only 1 0. But here we don't have any zero because the graph is not even touching the x-axis. Here we have 1, 2, 3 and 4 zeros. तो बेटा ग्राफ से आपको काउंट करना है कितनी बार ग्राफ टच कर रहा है एक्स एक्सिस को. बट अगर हम ग्राफ के बिना देखते हैं फॉर क्वाड्रेटिक, देन यू हैव अ फॉर्मूला ऑफ डी दैट वी विल लर्न इन डिटेल इन क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन. डी होता है डिस्क्रिमिनेंट एंड इट्स फॉर्मूला इज बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac. हम उसकी हेल्प से भी चेक कर सकते हैं कि हमारे पास जीरोस रियल हैं या नॉन रियल हैं. तो इस केस में हमारा जो d आएगा वो नेगेटिव आएगा because here we have no real zeros. So here d will be negative. If d is negative, then we have no real zeros. In this case, d is equal to 0 and here we have d positive. How? Let me show you. So you all know the general quadratic polynomial is of the form ax square plus bx plus c, where a is not equal to 0. It can be positive or negative. So there are two cases. If a is positive, then the parabola opens upwards, and if a is negative, then the parabola opens downwards, like this and like this. Now the difference in two is here the graph is obviously अगर आपका a पॉजिटिव है तो हमारा पैराबोला स्माइल कर रहा है, और जब a नेगेटिव है तो पैराबोला सैड उसमें इमोजी में चला गया. ठीक है, दैट वाज अ जोक. बट हेयर d इज पॉजिटिव. दोनों केस में d पॉजिटिव है. d इज डिस्क्रिमिनेंट एज आई टोल्ड यू, b स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac. एंड ये अगर आपका पॉजिटिव है, दैट मीन्स यू विल हैव two real roots or zeros. Roots or zeros, it is zeros for case of polynomial, roots for equation. सब में आप समझ जाएंगे. So if d is positive, then two real zeros, and if a is positive, a positive में upside जाएगा. Again a positive, but d zero है, so we have only one real root, one real zero. Here also we have only one real root. A negative, but d is equal to 0. And here we have d negative, that means no real root, so graph is not even touching the x-axis even a single time. Here also, so we have no real zeros. So a is positive, a is negative, a is positive, a is negative, and d is, let me show you again, d is positive, d is 0, and d is negative. I hope it's clear to everyone. Thank you so much.